Hi, it's Lil from Made by Marley. Today we're going to be decorating the craft blanket Jolly. So I'm going to show you a simple thing you can do with the word Jolly and how you can make your own home decor item that'll keep and last for years. So what we're going to do first is we are going to put some paint onto everything so it dries so that we can glue it and put it all together. So the Jolly signs, like all our signs, it's 7mm MDF, it's CNC routed cut, it's thick, good quality, and you can do just about anything with our craft blanks, and you can make some amazing signs, wall art, fun things, hangers. Really, it's limitless what you can do with them. You just have to be able to imagine it and then you can create it. So let's get on and do that. I'm going to point the camera down. dry. And I'm just going to screw in the knobs for the stockings. Just put my little, I think I'm probably going to have to touch up these knobs again with some more cream paint, but we shall forge on just now. My hands are so dirty, I must apologise. It's because I'm always making things that, where's the hole for here? I cannot find it. We've had a bit of a technical thing. I've not done enough holes for the screws. Never mind, we will glue them on, screw them on, and I'll just glue the last one on, and you get a rough idea of where I'm going with it, can you? I don't know how I quite managed it, but yeah, don't know why I did that. So what I'll do with that one is just eyeball it. I'll just put a little bit of hot glue on that, and I'll hot glue this one on. Better just make it kind of right. Yeah, let's call that good. Right, so we have all our knobs on, and so I'm just going to glue on the Jolly sign. So I'm just getting no nails glue and doing a little dollop every now and then on it. I don't want too much because this isn't the stuff that dries clear, and I don't want it squidging over the edges. So let's call that good. Actually, we'll put a squidge on there. There. There we go. I think I like that positioning. So where it's squidged over, just run your nail and get it to come off the side like that. Rub it. There we go. I'm just going to get the other edge of my paintbrush just to get down where that glue went, because you really don't want that in there. And I've got a little bit of a paintbrush here, and I'm just gonna, because you don't want glue messing up your design, so we'll do that. There we are. Still on two minds whether to put this bit of ribbon on here. I think I might, so I just need to cut these bits of wires off. So I'm going to get this bit of ribbon, and I'm going to glue it in behind here like that, and then I'm going to top it off with a bell. So I'm just going to get my hot glue, which is and stick that in there, and my bell, plonk that in there, just hold it for a minute. I don't like seeing bits of no nails. I don't mind if it's clear no nails and it dries nice and clear, but when it's the white stuff, I think you've got to be kind of particular about it. So here we have I'm just going to get these little bits of glue at the top like that, and I just want to make sure that white doesn't, so by putting a little bit of paint on it, it should make it good. There now. So I'm going to just take the camera, stop the camera and then give you a close-up shot, and then I'm going to give you photographs of it in situ. So here we have the finished stocking hanger sign with its little cream knobs. And it's a wee bit of decor on the J of Jolly. Now I'll do a shot of it in context so you get and understand the sizing and everything, but that's how you use the Jolly sign, guys. And if you want in your Jolly, well, if you want to be jolly, that's up to you, but if you want to buy and purchase the MDF craft blank Jolly, then if you go to madebymarley.co.uk and you can get it there, as well as lots of other Christmas craft blanks, but that's where you'll get your Jolly. You can also get it on eBay. I said Etsy earlier, I meant eBay. You can get it on eBay and you can get it on Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you like this and you intend to make it, tag me below with what you've managed to, or tell me all about it in the comments if you watch this video. And if you like it, subscribe, and if you really like it and you think, God, I wouldn't mind sharing the love around, then please share this video. Thank you.